Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix there was a problem with the NVIDIA app. So just go ahead and close this and then go search for a device manager on the search bar. Open up your device manager and from here you'll see display adapters. Go ahead and click on this arrow to give you this drop down and come here, select the NVIDIA GeForce, okay, that you have, and then I want you to right click it, click on update driver. Okay, and you'll see this pop up. They'll ask you how do you want to search for drivers. So choose this option, browse my computer for drivers. Okay, so we're going to locate it manually, right? So click now on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then you will see the driver you want to install here. So just choose the NVIDIA GeForce driver. Click on next and then give it a few minutes to install the drivers, and then you can go ahead and search up NVIDIA control panel, open it up, and your NVIDIA app should work. Okay, really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.